on Strava, I'm at 10.17 miles here. We're crossing a dangerous road here. Got a lot of traffic behind me, so I gotta stop. There's the asphalt machine over there. Comes another car. Whoa, man, I almost got hit there. Just kidding, just kidding. Looks like they got a little further today, or since the last time I've been up here. They may have completed it already, the asphalt part. Let's see, let's see. Because I don't see the other machines here, I think they're done here. They just got to pick up the asphalt machine later. I'm heading in a headwind right now. It's semi-hard. It's not fully hard. Hello? I've seen that guy before. He's pretty fast on that thing. The asphalt phase is done, it looks like. Once I turn north, I'll be fine. This wind is getting to me here. Come on, legs, let's go, man, let's go. Chop, chop. Surprised they didn't asphalt the parking lot, but that's probably gonna come later. Okay. Not really much room to put a little entrance there, you know what I mean? Probably gonna be left like that. All right, we're out of the wind, thank goodness. Nice scenery of the lake with a bench where you can sit there and look at it. Looks like they cleared it out so you can see the lake better.
Distance 11 miles. Total time 51 minutes and 9 seconds. Time of day 3:12. Split speed 11.3 miles per hour.
Racing against the darkness, you know, coming out. Hopefully I can make it up there and get back in time. Trying to do a Grand Fondue today. Grand Fondo. Grand Fondo. Which is 62 point something miles. I think get late starts and like try to do a 63-mile ride before the sun goes down. Sure. It is a, oh, look at that. Chickens are here. They live over in the barn over there to the right. Wonder where the rooster is. Not protecting his girls. We're on the Tri-County Trail in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Oh man. All right, we're gonna head because we got a lot of riding to do. See you chicks later. So we're reaching the end of Tri-County Trail. Very close to, it should be 12.85 miles. So what were we at the front? Close to 11. Just under 3 miles to get here. Oh. This is where I saw a water moccasin one time. Before they opened this part of the trail up. I was coming through, it was, this part had been asphalted, and it was a cold night the night before, and I think the snake was just there, warming its body up. but I was alert looking for the snakes because Tri-County was still new and there was some wild animals out. I had seen a rattlesnake on the trail recently before that time, so I was looking for them. Luckily, I was heading right for it. If I was just like looking at something else, I could have hit it.
Total distance 13 miles. Total time 1 hour and 14 seconds. Time of day 3:22. Split speed 13.5 miles per hour.
Getting up to State Road 54 at 14.96 miles here. Might as well make it 15. Even here. Here's a mistake, putting trees next to a trail. This is that bumpy trail I filmed before. Looks like they fixed it a little bit. Because the roots grow underneath the path. This is a shorter route to get up to the intersection of their house. As bumpy as I remember it. Looks like they may have done some work on it.
Total distance 15 miles. Total time 1 hour 8 minutes and 52 seconds. Time of day 3:33. Split speed 14.0 miles per hour.
As bad as I remembered it. But it's still pretty bad. Ouch. Oh, they put a new building over there. The Panamanian stop right there. My old friends was right. So this is the Starkey Blvd trail. I think it's called the Starkey Blvd trail. That's Starkey Blvd to our left. Be careful coming around this thing because sometimes people come flying. Those fast riders come flying around the corner. Just a little blind spot. Don't remember those houses. They're so close to each other. Starkey Market. Camera this way so you can see it. See if I stop by and get a little drink here, relax a little. 3460 Starkey Blvd. They have wine and stuff in there that they make fresh, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I've never been in there. There's a windmill there that we could have looked at too. See which way the wind was going. This is actually a fun ride today. I think I feel better when I take days off from riding and not ride every single day. Lets my body relax. Gives my body a break here. Ouch.
Total distance 16 miles. Total time 1 hour 14 minutes and 7 seconds. Time of day 3:30.
17 miles, 17 point something, 17.1 or something. Just got the readout for the bridge on Mount Ride at 17 miles. I'll let the readout come up. Then I'll stop it. Great day for a bike ride.
Total distance 19 miles. Total time 1 hour 27 minutes and 11 seconds. Time of day 3:52. Split speed 13.8 miles per hour.
It's almost 4 o'clock. I left at 2:30, an hour and a half to get up here. That's not too bad, actually. I see the sign on the left, Jay B Starkey Park. This doesn't look like an entrance to a park. Looks like an entrance to a neighborhood, so. Just get across here, and this is the sidewalk to it. And we're at 19.19, which, all right. On Strava, we're at 19.46. 19.19 on Mount Ride. I thought it was going to be closer to 20 miles, but it's not. The main part of the trail, the new part is at 20 miles. And yeah, we're heading into a headwind this way. We've got 7.5 miles in there, so we're 19.5 right now. Should get there. Should get there at 27 miles. I was just up here recently. I filmed it. Look, a turtle. I'm not a turtle, I'm a tortoise, I tell you. I'm a tortoise. I don't know why that's funny to me. Because I said it in front of a park ranger one time, and I said, oh, it's a turtle. I'm like, turtle. Like, master of disguise. Because that's not a turtle, that's a tortoise. That's a tortoise. That's a tortoise, I tell you. I guess these are walking trails right here. There's one actually to the right over there. Oh, there's another stupid branch. Last time I was up here, a branch got caught on my spokes. Just like that one. Something you don't want to get caught, which can break your spokes. I prefer to ride. I think I prefer to ride in the street, but I'm just showing you this part of the trail. Just showing you this part of the trail. You got dog walkers, kid walkers, you got pine needles on the ground that could possibly wipe you out if you're going too fast on this. You're making a curve. I don't want to test that theory out. Just assume you can roll your tire on a set of pine needles.
Total distance 20 miles. Total time 1 hour 32 minutes and 24 seconds. Time of day 3:57. Split speed 11.5 miles per hour.
Park closes at 6. Here's a new part of the trail. You can see it on the left. I mean, a new asphalt they put down. Pretty much at 20.38 miles here from my house. So 6.5 miles to the end. See, it's all new trail. I mean, all new asphalt on the trail. All new asphalt on the trail. Still smells new too. You can smell it. They have a birding trail to the left there. There's a biking trail to the left. Number 1. hiking trail. Maybe someday I'll come up here and go riding on those trails. I know somebody that rides up here a lot on those trails. And to the left there's a parking lot. And I wanted to show you something before I get in the sun. On the back of these signs, they have like the information of the planets. I'm not going to read it to you, I just wanted to show you. The average distance from the sun, 57,909 to 227 kilometers, or 35,983, 125 miles from the sun. That's like a little secret. I never noticed that they put the information of the planets. There's Venus, Earth. I wonder where Earth is. Mars. And here is Jupiter. Jumping Jupiter. So yeah, back there's a parking and bathrooms, and there's water. There's a water fountain back there. They used to have cold water out here. There's Saturn. Bike route number 5 on the left. All right, I've already filmed this, but this is all new asphalt. Goes all the way to the back, and they just recently put it down, like maybe 3 months ago. There's Uranus. Thankfully, the wind's being blocked a little bit by the trees.
Total distance 21 miles. Total time 1 hour 37 minutes and 4 seconds. Time of day 4-3. Split speed 12.9 miles per hour.
I don't remember this planet. What's this one? Neptune. Bike trail number 8. I don't know if my bike could ride on that, actually. Got skinny tires. This is the wilderness out here. You can make as much noise as you want. Now we're getting caught in the wind. Pluto, man. How can I forget Pluto? Oh. Well, look at that. It's cheating. Yeah, the new trail is nice. It's nice and smooth. They used to have the igloo coolers like at places like this, but they took them away when COVID came around. And they were ice cold. It was ice cold water. It was so good, man. Perfect day for bike riding today. Perfect day for bike riding. Perfect. I mean perfect. The one difference with this new trail is they took all the mileage signs off the ground. It's just not really that big of a deal. They used to have them painted every half mile. Bench. I don't remember the bench there.
Total distance 22 miles. Total time 1 hour 41 minutes and 22 seconds. Time of day 4-7. Split speed 14.0 miles per hour.
I think to the left there is a cabin. Looks like a bike trail to the left over there too. Where the power lines are. at 22.57 on Strava here at the power lines. Might be able to get an echo out of it. Echo! Echo! Oh yeah. Probably can't hear it on the GoPro because it suppresses a lot of the sound. Woo! Hear it? It's very nice out here. It's peaceful. Until I come along, right?
Total distance 23 miles. Total time 1 hour 45 minutes and 54 seconds. Time of day 4:11. Split speed 13.2 miles per hour.
You guys got full body protection. Look like something on Star Wars, right? Okay, we're at 23:43 on Strava. This is the wilderness, Jay B Starkey Wilderness Park. Looks like we're gonna take a right up ahead. I see people going that way, that's why I know this. Now, this section here, if you're not paying attention, you could end up just going straight. And it goes to a cabin. It's not the route to get to the back. Not the route to get to the back. See, it says bike trail on the right, that little sign there. I think there's a cabin back there. I'm not 100% sure. So we hit that at 24 miles. Let's just say we hit that at 24 miles, that turn there on Strava. And this is where the building used to be, where you just saw those cyclists turn left a little. There used to be a building that we used to have to go around. It looked like a dead end. I think that's why they took it down. There used to be a building right here. Made you feel like it was a dead end. That's a fox squirrel right there. You see it? Looks more like a cross between a raccoon and a squirrel. They get pretty big. And here is that swampy area, which is totally different. Oh, we're at 24.5 miles, I should say. We've got another 2.5 miles to go, I think. I came out here that one time when they were doing the control tree burns, the fires, control fires. It wasn't a good time for me to be out here. New asphalt on the trail, very nice. Great job. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up, right? There's my thumb up, see it? Thumbs up, man, thumbs up. I'm trying to think, the end of this might be, well, the end, I'm thinking from the start of St. Pete on the Pinellas Trail. The end of this might be 60 miles or something like that. It's somewhere in that ballpark. I'll know when I get to the end for sure. I know State Road 50 from my house is 50 miles even. Definitely heading east here because I can feel the wind in my face. Another 1.5 miles, I think. Hello everybody, how are you doing? My name is Dave. I'm from Phonamana on the YouTube channel. And this is a Phonamana exclusive. Whatever that was. Didn't have a jingle. I'm at 26 miles on Strava. I really just need to do 32 to get, or 31 and a half to get the Grand Fondo. Are you coming in? Getting close to the end where the surprise is. I can see it. Just because I came out here before, I did the loop around the Upper Tampa Bay Trails to 2 of them. And I came up this way and I feel like I missed something out here. I didn't spend enough time out here. It looks like I was correct. It's going to be close to 27 miles. You can actually see it on the video what I'm talking about. See the green roof over there? That's something new there. I'm gonna go to the end and then come back to that. You hear the traffic, right? Suncoast Trail has got a lot of noise out here with traffic. So they just built this recently. Ooh, it looks like there's a place to plug in right there. There's power boxes right there to the left. I'll come right back to this. I don't know what that little place is out here. Probably just a tool shed or something. They got bathrooms, they got filtered water. So this is at the 22.9 marker. There used to be a wooden fence on the right here. I mean, when you came out, that's how you know you're near Jay B Starkey Park, is that wooden fence was nearby. So where am I at? I'm at 26.94. Let's just say 27 miles. So it's another 23 miles up to State Road 50, which is not on the list here. We're at 27 miles and it's 50 miles from my house up to State Road 50 even. The 23 more miles up north and you'll hit State Road 50. And I just figured out that green sign is 22.9 miles. So that's the sign we can use to tell us how far State Road 50 is. It's like 23 miles like I mentioned before. 23 miles still to the left. The State Road 54 is 4.2 miles, but then you still can go down to the Lutz Lake Fern Trailhead Road. Anderson Snow Park, which there's no snow there. I looked, trust me. It's just past the trees with the chimes on it, the chime tree, which people out here put those chimes on the tree for their lost loved ones. State Road 52 is 5.7 miles. Ridge Road is 2.3 miles, and that's where we're heading to. But I'm still going to go back to that shelter back there and look around, because I feel like I missed stuff. We're at the 22.9 marker. They put these markers wherever there's a gate opening. We just came from Jay B Starkey Park this way. this way, over here. Beautiful park. All right, let's go back to this part here. Well, this is all new here. I need a film here. They have. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Hi, thanks. Well, there's no outlet here. I thought there was an outlet up here. Got the filter water with restrooms. Let's see what's over here. Looks like a good place to camp, right? You see? A little hidden secret here. How do I open it? There you go. Look at that. So you could charge your phones up. I had a feeling there would be like an outlet thing out here, but let's see. And it's on. It's turned on. Dosing station disconnect. So yeah, how about that? I'm on camera now. It's Phonamana. New thing out here. It's got a circuit breaker on it, so a little safety thing. I don't really need my bike here, so I'll just put it down like it. Wax chain and everything. Let's see what's back here. This is like a VIP section for. What the heck is that? Maybe I shouldn't touch that. Maybe for wiping your butt. I'm curious. Oh, they're both, doesn't matter. They're both the same type of bathroom. Ooh, there's lights in there and an outlet. I wonder if they lock this at night. It's not a bad little thing, huh? I think they just added these benches. I think they just added these benches in the last week. Because I don't remember seeing them. I think this was just a shelter last time I came up here. Let's see what kind of tools they got here. The basics, all the tools you need except for the chain breaker. Dero fix it. Alright, we gotta hustle, man. I assume this is a place for camping out. It's a nice open field. Enough space for everyone, and then you can chill out here at night if you want to, I suppose. Not sure what that is over there. I'm actually curious enough to go look. Archery and hiking, camping, fishing, paddle sport, mountain biking, snorkeling, nature photography, arts and crafts, education. And they have all the activities going on here for January. And a place to lock your bike up right here. Cool. But that's cool, they put a bike rack there. I'm glad I came back here and checked because I was curious about that. I thought there was a outlet. This is locked. Not sure what it's for. Maybe it's a little cabin. I assume that that's just a closet for bathroom supplies, and that's why they have a locked door back here. Nice camping grounds. All right, let's head up to Ridgeline. Yeah, it's so cool that they put the new asphalt down, and I like this, all this new stuff here. And I think this is like 60 miles from St. Petersburg. It's around that ballpark figure, somewhere around 60 miles to get down to the start of Pinellas Trail down in St. Petersburg. Well, I just filled up my water jug. See? Whoops. It tastes a little different coming from the fountain compared to from those igloo coolers that they set up here. So yeah, I'm thinking this area is like 59 to 60 miles from the start of St. Petersburg, the Pinellas Trail in St. Petersburg. It's a very nice addition they added here. We're gonna go up to Ridge Road and check out that part of the trail. Good thing I looked down because my thing didn't resume. For Strava.